Hi, I'm Zainab
My name's Dia.
and today we're making bunny chow.
What is a bunny chow, Zainab?
So bunny chow is basically like a bread bowl with gravy inside it that you eat directly.
First we put oil. Let it heat for a little while. Once it's hot, we put jeera.
And saute it for 15 to 30 seconds. Then we'll add some ginger chilli paste and allow that to saute for 30 seconds.
And then we put chilli powder.
Now we'll put turmeric powder, coriander powder, and now jeera powder. Now we'll put hing, kasuri methi, and 2 tablespoons of water. And then mix it together. Once it's done, let's add the tomato pulp.
And then we add water.
And then we cook it for 5 to 7 minutes.
5 to 7 minutes are done. Now we put the salt. Now we will add boiled green peas. Then we add the carrot. Then we put the potatoes. And then we add the capsicum. Now we mix all the vegetables together and cook it for 2 minutes.
It's been 2 minutes, now we'll add some water to it. Now we're going to mix this and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 10 to 15 minutes and now with the help of a masher, we're going to mash it till it becomes thick and like a gravy. Okay, it's been mashed well. Now we'll add the garam masala. And we've off the flame and now we'll just mix in the garam masala. Okay, now finally we'll add the coriander to garnish it. So the gravy is ready. Now we'll proceed to the next step. So now I'm going to show you all how to scoop out the burger bun. So just make a square, but don't cut right till the bottom. And once you've done that, just scoop it out. Now just remove a little bit from the sides so that you have space for the gravy. This is how you have to do it. Now in the same way, we'll do the remaining 3 burger buns.
So this is how the 2 buns look. And now we're gonna fill it with gravy. Now we're gonna sprinkle some cheese. And now I'm going to sprinkle some cabbage on it. And now we have to serve this immediately.
Do try this at home with your family and friends. Goodbye from Zainab.
And goodbye from Dia.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.